Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. And today I want to share with you guys an awesome LED lighting product for your home. And this is by the company called SunThin. They make several different LED products, such as the LED lamp, the Art Deco lamp I just reviewed not that long ago, and of course these fantastic commercial-grade LED string lights. These are great for putting over a pergola, around your deck, over your deck, on your house, across your garage, you name it. These are high quality and extremely durable. Now, we're not going to be able to see what they look like right now because it's the middle of the day, but I will upload another video at night showing you guys what these things look like at night. The whole strand runs at about 15 watts, I believe. I believe that's actually 2 strands. They come in 2 different segments. You can use them separate, or you can connect them together to make a full 48 feet of light. The bulbs are made of a sweet kind of acrylic plastic, which is great because in the event of a storm or in the event that you drop one, they're a lot more durable than glass, and they produce a really nice, somewhat warm, it's not a bright white light, it's more of a warm, relaxing glow, which is great. I have them strung up kind of near my hot tub here at night. This place comes alive and it looks absolutely fantastic. I'm just going to show you what the bulb looks like in the string here, and I will put a link in the description where you can pick this up for the best value, right from SunThin off Amazon. This is what the strands look like here. You have a thick commercial grade strand. These plastic, kind of rubberish, very durable sockets. And of course the bulb is an LED bulb, and you can see that the LED is hidden behind this kind of diffuser, this acrylic diffuser. So what I like about these is some of the other inexpensive lights that I found, like some of the Harbor Freight ones, you know, they're really affordable. They're made of glass, they're not LED, and they draw a lot of power. You're looking at like 100 watts. Easy to leave on, you know, 24 hours a day and hardly draw any wattage. Very, very efficient, very, very nice, and just an exceptional value. Alright guys, well, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you check this out through the link. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop me a comment. Once again, thank you SunThin for your generosity. Pick these up, you're going to love them. Have a wonderful day, folks. Take care.